Hello everyone, today we're going to be unboxing two beauty boxes from Target. The first one is for August. I believe that's the August one. We'll look in a minute. And then the other one is for June, so we'll see which one's which. I love the outside of this one. I believe this one is probably the June one. It says Gym Bag Beauty, hot yoga at 6 a.m., hot date. Tag us with Target Beauty box. Okay. We have two micellar waters. This one is kind to skin, sensitive skin, micellar water. I like the packaging on these. It's kind of cute. Squeeze to the last drop. It's by Simple. And this one is kind of sensitive skin, moisturizing facial wash. Oh, this isn't micellar water. This is a facial wash. All right, we'll see how that works. It's kind of nice. I'm going to leave them closed. And that's by Simple also. We have SPF 30 Radically Rejuvenating SPF Day Cream. Sorry, I forgot the TV was still on. It has turmeric, ferulic acid, vitamin C, vegan. I think I have something with the acid in it. Let's see. This is a cure. Smells good. We'll use this. I've been using the LMS one that I got as a free gift. But I've been trying to find something cheaper to use so that I could talk to y'all about it. We have Kids Crest Anti-Cavity Fluoride Toothpaste in Strawberry Rush. I'm going to leave it closed. We have Nexus New York Anti-Frizz Sheets. This is for your hairs to keep it from being frizzy. Mine's not frizzy at the moment, so we'll leave it in there. I might stick that in a giveaway box. Silky and Smooth Head and Shoulders Shampoo and Conditioner. I did not know Head and Shoulders had shampoo and conditioner. This is, it doesn't say, it's for color treated. Oh, it's color safe. It smells really good. So, we got the shampoo and conditioner. And that was everything that came in that box. I'm just sticking the stuff back in here. What I'm wearing right now on my face is the Shop Miss A haul stuff. The lipsticks, I was not impressed with. At least not for me. Alright, and then the chili peppers. I love this box too. I gotta find something. This is probably August, hot for fall. Okay, and there's no coupon. Well, it says scan the app. So this is August because it expires on the 1st. We have Hello Activated Charcoal and Hemp Seed Oil, Farm Grown Mint Epic White Fluoride Toothpaste. I'll probably give this to Jason. I'm allergic to hemp and marijuana and all that. Ooh, I love this. I used to get this all the time. This is Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Deep Conditioner. You use this, I can't remember how much the full size is, but you use this in your hair after you wash it, and it's a conditioner, and it makes your hair feel so good. I used to have to change my shampoos every season because my hair would get dried out, or then it would get too oily. Like right here in the front would look like it was matted down to my face, and it was, but now that I'm using Tresemme and the different leave-in conditioners, see, I dyed my hair back the normal color. I thought obviously my hair is more black than I thought because look at these roots. Yeah, okay, but that's a really good one. I used to use Aussie, and then I would use it came in a blue bottle, Finesse. And then I would also, it was 3 times a year. And I would also use Fructis. This is called My Bite Vitamins. Beauty inside and out may help support healthy hair, skin, and nails. It's got vitamin E, C, and biotin. It's dark chocolate bites. You get 5 of them in here. They have it for energy, sleep. I might have to go look into some of these because I've been having insomnia. So I might have to look into that. But there's 5 of these little chocolates in here. See, the only bad thing is if they taste good. Because then you need to not overdose on vitamins. Okay, we have this is for Jason. I don't know why it's in the beauty box. Dove Men Care Fortifying Shampoo and Conditioner, fresh and clean. He loves this stuff, so we're going to put it over there. Precision Clean Interdental Picks. These are Oral-B, little toothpick type things to get between your teeth. Use gentle in and out motion, clean between teeth, massage gums. Do not force into tight spaces. He likes those kind of things too. And we have 2 foil packs of Herbal Essence and birch bark extract, sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. Color protecting little foil pack. I'll probably put that in a giveaway because foil packs, I will probably go get a full size if I want to try it, because the foil packs, to me, when it comes to shampoo, you don't know if you like it if you've only used it once. So you have to have multiple. So I'll get like the smaller bottles, and then if I like it, I get the family size bottles. But that is everything that came in these 2 beauty boxes. I'm probably going to be later on tonight, after I do my shower and everything, I will probably go ahead and record a Ulta 21 Days of Beauty thing. I need to lift my chair up. But I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.